Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion versus Evernote. We'll explore their fundamental differences, helping you decide which tool best fits your needs. Notion serves as a highly customizable workspace, integrating notes, tasks, and databases into one flexible platform. Evernote, on the other hand, excels as a dedicated, robust note-taking and archiving solution, perfect for capturing information quickly and efficiently across all your devices. Let's dive into their core features. Notion offers powerful database functionalities, allowing you to create custom views and relationships for complex projects. Evernote shines with its superior web clipping, optical character recognition, and advanced search capabilities, making it easy to find information within images and PDFs. Notion's block-based editor provides unparalleled flexibility in page design, while Evernote's tagging system ensures efficient note organization. Regarding pricing, both offer compelling options. Notion provides a generous free personal plan with unlimited blocks, ideal for individual users. Evernote also has a free basic plan, though it comes with certain monthly upload limits, typically 60 megabytes. Their paid plans unlock advanced features and significantly increase storage. Both applications are widely accessible, available seamlessly across web browsers, desktop computers, and all major mobile platforms. So, who should use which? Notion is perfect for those seeking an all-in-one workspace for project management, team collaboration, or building extensive personal knowledge bases. If your primary need is quick note capture, digital archiving, and robust search for research, Evernote is likely your best bet. Consider Notion for ultimate flexibility and Evernote for a powerful, streamlined note-taking experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.